What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live day trading recap video in which, not to give too much away, we have a pretty rough morning. But hopefully you guys are excited for it. Hopefully you enjoy the transparency. Once again, I post these recaps every day. I will still show you my equity curve at the end of the video, even though it's a red day. Let's get into the live trades and see how red it was. Hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and let's go! We are short though, shorting the spike up here, shorting as it breaks up over levels. Like I just said, the RSI is currently at the bottom. RSI here is currently at 40. We don't get stopped out until this breaks 60. So this would really hurt if this is the time that the market decides to run. But as always, profitable system takes the trade, human takes the trade. I'm a swing trader, but the trend lines are my specialty, and I do very well because algos use them. Yeah. It's not that you can't use lines or use other ways to be profitable. Yeah, just make sure you prove it, either with back testing or if you have just been doing it through forward testing works as well, right? You need to back test while you're creating your strategy, and you need to forward test while you're trading your strategy. By the way, Tesla's ripping, which might have a lot to do with why this is ripping. We are down $90 in this trade immediately, which is, I mean, I'm stoked about it, honestly, but I'm joking. You got Tesla ripping here, and you got Apple trying high of day. Vis-a-vis, SPY is ripping into our short. Bueno. Good start to the morning. Here we go. Insert Joker meme. And here we go. Down 160 in this trade very quickly. Tesla is ripping. Tesla's at 926. Up 5%. Apple is testing high of day. Amazon starting to bounce. Nice. You got me in long, stopped me out, and then 3 minutes later, you all started ripping. You good. Yep, all the techs are saving. All the tech, you can watch individual stocks and see why SPY is doing what it's doing today. Tesla, Amazon, Apple are the three that are getting the volume and carrying the markets or shoving the markets around today. And Amazon is big, bouncing off double bottom. Apple high a day, Tesla high a day. We getting squeezed the hell out of in our SPY short. I've been doing it for many years. It proves consistently every day, so many times. Yeah, nice. That's the important part, right? That is what I have learned from this code and why I'm making a lot more money now that I'm trading this code. Although now might not be the best example of that, but over time, right, is because you prove a strategy. Right? Trade whatever strategy you want. I don't care. There's hundreds of different strategies that are profitable. Just prove it. Prove it. Don't just go, oh, trade. SPY's at support. I'm going to buy here. I'm going to sell here because I think. I think is my least favorite word now. You shouldn't be thinking. Don't think. There's no thinking. There's trading a proven setup. That's it. That's all there is. Right? There is no thinking. You think while you're creating your setup. That's where you think. You don't think about your trades, right? Could be the first four-figure day. What, you think we're going to lose $1,000 today? That would suck. That would suck. I've traded my setup all week without making a day trade, just swings. Nice. Are you journaling? Are you forward testing? Tag those as swing trades. You can start to look at, does that strategy work better over swings or over day trades? Yeah. SPY high day. Us down $206 in this trade. Yep. Forward testing is very important. Then you can start to trim the fat, right? If you start to recognize that, holy crap, this strategy works way better over swing trades, You can stop using it to day trade. Stop using it where it's not as effective, right? You bought puts? No, I'm in 100 shares. You see the trade here. You see the position here. I'm in 100 shares short at 423.55. We either get stopped out when this RSI breaks 60, which it's still, unfortunately, not that close to, or when it breaks down below this blue line. Tesla and Apple are screwing me right now. That's what's happening. Apple hasn't had a candle under candle in 7 minutes. Tesla hasn't had a candle under candle in 13 minutes. They're just ripping face. Quite obviously, that is why SPY is ripping face. Both of those companies are two huge companies. Apple is actually the biggest company in the S&P, so them ripping is causing this to rip. See. Friends, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. My face is getting ripped off. -2. A little. I mean, we're down $240. It's not like... It's not super holy shit yet. We've come back from worse to green. Actually, I think twice this week we've come back. No, yesterday we weren't down 240. Yesterday we were down like a 150. But we made money yesterday. The day before that we were down... I think it was this week. Or was it last week? I don't remember. We were down like almost 300 and we ended up making money. It can happen. It can happen. My account is only worth 8.7K. This is hurting. What'd you do? You took puts? Are you using a similar system and you took puts into this with an 8.7K account? Yeah. That sucks. Nvidia puts? Oh, that sucks probably even worse. Nvidia's probably pushing even harder. Hey, we're starting to get our rollover. We're starting to get our rollover infected. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Tesla S13 filings. Elon Musk bought more. Did he? Did he buy the dip that was created from him buying Twitter? He bought Twitter, dipped Tesla like a couple hundred points, and then bought more Tesla? That's gangster. Also, do you guys remember I'm pretty sure it made the YouTube video too. I'm pretty sure YouTube heard this too. You remember the conversation yesterday where I said I'm leaning more towards buying Tesla now instead of being bearish on it? Stop being bearish at lows and bullish at highs, right? Stop it. I said I was bearish here. Everybody hated me for it. Yesterday, I said I didn't buy any, but I said I'm leaning towards being more bullish again. This is only one day, but it's starting to bounce again. Stop being bullish here and bearish here. Stop it. Stop doing that. Bad. We're not too far away from this being an exit candle. Oop. And oop. This candle's about to close, but the next candle, okay, wherever this candle closes, we're out of this trade. Wherever this candle closes, we're out of this trade. Okay, so we're not going to get squeezed too bad. That's nice. That is nice. Could we maybe even get a little bit of extra help on this candle, or is it going to come back against us a bit? I hope the weed stocks start bouncing power. I am long-term invested in weed. Very long-term, though. I took my weed trade, and I've been dollar cost averaging into my weed position with a 5+ year outlook. Why do you always talk so soon? I know, I gotta jinx it, right? Can we get a little breakdown here? Rip. Okay, cool. Cool, SPY. Yeah. Get out where the system does. 13 seconds, we're out. But, you know, we don't panic. We don't panic. Holy shit. Oh my god. Panic cover at highs, you know. Get at least some sort of move in our direction. Yes, it's a loss. Yes, it's a bad. I mean, we lost $145. Don't get it twisted. But, you know, no panicking. What did we save ourselves here? We covered at 425.03. We were up to 425.87. So we saved ourselves $84. We are long here at 424.81. Immediately up $15, but we don't sell until it gets above the green line or until this top RSI comes below 40. We are down 194 on the day. We're down 210 on the day. I mean, so far it's been one of those mornings where SPY is straight down, straight up. Is this another straight down move? We know the system doesn't perform very well with straight up, straight down type markets. Being a price action system, it's going to excel on more normal SPY price action, right? The insane rip up, rip downs is abnormal price action, so we lose money with a price action system, as you should when the price action is abnormal. You want to be making money when the price action is normal. If you're not, it means you're not winning in the long run, right? Dump into a SPY, let's see. Yep, Tesla just kind of double topped and broke a level. I'm keeping an eye on the other stocks as well, for obvious reasons, but Tesla did just double top and then broke a low. Apple pulling back. Amazon is testing low a day again. Amazon, by the way, down 12.5% on earnings. We were Googling it here on stream. I think, if I found the right information, it's set up to be the worst day ever for Amazon. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning. We've seen crazier afternoon rips. It could still rip, but... Redbox would have been a nice short. Yeah, I mean, it's Redbox. Short it when it pops. Did go on a really nice run this morning, though, to be fair, Redbox. Okay, we're down $47 in this trade. It's the morning of getting hammered. Fun, fun, fun. Hey, you guys on YouTube, hit the like button to make me feel better. Thanks. Oh. That's no feeling better, I guess. I'm still trading alongside the system. The system's down 230. I am underperforming the system by roughly $9. So still trading just about like I'm supposed to. Underperforming slightly, but still doing right as my system's doing. So I should have shorted Amazon. I mean, don't get hung up too much in saying that, because you can say that after every trade. Oh, I should have bought SPY. Oh, I should have shorted SPY instead of longed it. Oh, I should have. Should have is like the dumbest word in stock trading. It's like no shit. Like, hey man, you should have shorted instead of longed. Oh, really? After it drops? Thank you, man. That's really, really helpful. I appreciate it. Like, don't do that to yourself. You'll drive yourself crazy. There's always going to be a should've in the stock market. Always. Hey man, you should have bought Bitcoin in 2017. Oh. Not even 2017, like 2020, like 13. See? The Real G Magic, thank you for the sub. Is that your first ever time subbing? Ooh, a brand new sub. I do love brand new subs. You guys on YouTube, subscribe as well. I'm getting all the shills out that I can. That should be a tweet. What? Never say should've in trading? You'll just drive yourself crazy. There's always a should've. There always will be a should've. Damn, I should have shorted SPY at 424.86 and covered at 424.09. Man, that would have been great, wouldn't it? Like no shit. But that's just not how. Like you're never ever going to be able to do that consistently. It's not that you'll never catch the perfect top and perfect bottoms of moves. That does happen rarely, but there's no system you're going to create that always catches the perfect top and perfect bottom. There's just not. Once again, I say this a lot, but trading isn't magic. Beginners want it to be magic. They want this some kind of like combination of indicators that's going to always tell them which direction the stock's going to move, and that just doesn't exist. It doesn't, unfortunately. This shit would be really easy if that existed. Guess what? This shit is really hard. Hey, what up, my guy? Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. We did get back to green in this trade, but now we just got a big topping tail. Is it just creating a lower high here, or what? Or what? Sell condition is still way up here. We're still looking for profit. Oh, yep. Right back to lows. Damn, dude, I should have sold there. Leg day? It's my leg day too, so I'm probably skipping the gym. To be fair, I might actually not get to go to the gym today. I am very busy today. Fridays are my busiest days. I've got a lot of stuff I gotta do. And then this afternoon, we will be back on stream for Power Hour. Got long Tesla at 919. Sold it to 922, but I'll take the win. Very nice. Jacob, make that bank today, homie. I skipped the last 2 days. I did go to the gym every other day this week, so it'd be okay if I can't go today. Maybe I'll do legs on Saturday. I'll do legs tomorrow. Are we on? Hi, YouTube? You are. This will be on YouTube. This is a pretty exciting trade. I'm actually not really focusing too much on the trade itself. Obviously, you guys can see the position the whole time here moving around, but yeah, we've been like, what, we were down like, what were we down in this trade? I don't even know. I'm not paying attention. Down 80 bucks. To up like 10, to back down 80 bucks, to only being down 50, to now we're down 60. Like, this trade's a little all over the shop, but we know the conditions in which we are supposed to exit. That is what we will wait for. We're actually not that far from getting stopped out. The RSI is at 42. Why are you buying and selling SPY specifically? Because that's what I backtested against. That is what I backtested against, my friend. That is what I buy. Green screen's a little wonky. Once again, trying to bounce, but we will see. It's a good chance it just sells off again like every other bounce has. Trade what you know. Yeah, well, SPY is just trading SPY is part of the system, right? Because this is, I've only backtested SPY. Well, I do run it against other stocks too. Let's see how it's performing on just Apple this morning. Oh, it's up on Apple this morning. How's it performing on Amazon this morning? Oh, wow, it's crushing Amazon this morning. How's it up on Tesla this morning? It's crushing Tesla this morning. That actually is something that could be interesting in the future, like, should I take this system to whichever individual large floats are the most volatile? I don't know. That's interesting. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So I've told you guys that this system does work best in volatility. So I backtested in 2017 when the VIX, the market volatility, was stupid low, and this system was not profitable. But like, if the VIX, if the overall market like volatility gets super low, there will always be some kind of stock that has news and has volatility via news. So we could probably still take this system and go trade it on that individual name if SPY isn't profitable at that time, you know? But I don't know. I mean, we haven't been in those market conditions yet, so I don't know exactly. But it's very liquid. That too, yeah. I don't have to worry about slippage in SPY. I'm taking $42,000 positions, and I have zero concerns about slippage. I just hit market orders and get no slippage because it trades huge volume always, right? It's very, very thickly traded. Yeah. But so are like Apple and Amazon. Like, I wouldn't run into problems there either. Oh, this is close to being an exit candle. What are those lines on the left? They're just representing the highs and lows of bars. What my system is doing is buying the low if it breaks down. This is a sell candle, and we are now green in this trade. It's buying when it breaks down below the price of X bars back. It's selling when it breaks above the price of X bars back. All these lines are representing is the highs and lows of those X bars backs. Okay, we were green. Now we're down 30 bucks. Why? Why, SPY? You just have to... Really? Hey, here's your sell candle, Trey. You fucking idiot. Okay, we're down 275. What the fuck was that? Hey, here's your sell candle, bro. Oh. I mean, at least we got out. I don't know. Whatever. Still traded it like we're supposed to. What the hell, man? Why you gotta mess with me like that, market? Come on, bro. Wow. Yeah, I mean, at least... You know what? Actually, market, I will be grateful. Thank you. Because if it didn't give me that rip up to get stopped out, this would now be my sell candle, but I'd be down another $70. Wow. Never mind, market. I take it back. Thank you for being graceful enough for making this an exit candle for me. Thank you for making me only lose 40 or like 35 bucks in this trade. Wow, what a dump. Let's see where this bar closes real quick just to see where I would have gotten out. Here, I would have gotten out at 423.13. That's $85 extra I would have lost if this didn't wick up. I take it all back, Spy. I'm sorry for complaining. Thank you. You're graceful market gods. Thank you. Alrighty, so that wraps up the first hour of the day, and that wasn't very fun. I ended that session down $275 once again. As you guys probably know, with this system, the crazy rip-ups, the crazy rip-downs, the system tends to underperform, tends to not do too well. Obviously, it's just one day. Don't put too much pressure on one day of trading. It's not going to make or break you. You've got a lifetime of days. You're going to go through days like this too. Don't put too much pressure on it. I'm ranting and trying to give lessons again. Anyway, let's pull over the rest of the day. And as you can see, we're now only down $151. So we were able to actually recover $125 after that first hour. And these are the trades here. Little long, little short. I accidentally only shorted 50 shares here. That was a shame because it was actually a pretty nice trade. So that's a bit of a shame. But long, short, I think we lost a little bit here. This was a long we lost on. I think all of these were wins, and then this was a small loss on the end. But yeah, not a bad day. I mean, $151 down is still not great. I'm not stoked about it, but it beats being down the $275 that we were. And today is Friday. Every Friday, I stream Power Hour over on Twitch. Come join us. If you're watching this video right when it comes out, I'm still live. So come over to twitch.tv/trading stocks. But I will be trading Power Hour over there. So this number will change, and we'll go over that probably on Monday. I'll tell you about how this number changes. But here's the P&L. Once again, show you guys the entire equity curve. Even on red days like this, I don't hide. Oh my God, it's a red day. I only show you my equity curve on huge green days. The blah, blah, blah. The tactics I could get around to try to look like a better trader and get more views. I don't care. I want to try to actually help you all and to just be transparent and continue producing the right kind of content, the content that I would want to watch. So obviously today was $151 down. We are still up $1,400, $1,399 since we've started trading this system. So not too shabby. Obviously continuing to trend in the right direction. What did I say at the beginning of this little clip? Don't put too much pressure in one day. On one day of trading, right? You're going to have red days. This is going to happen. Look, happens. It happens. But guess what? Over time, what do we keep doing? Trending in the right direction, right? So not too bad. Looking at the detailed here, you all will get a video tomorrow, actually, on Saturday of the April deep dive. We will go over all these stats, go over the month of April, see how all the trading went, so I'll deep dive into it there. As today is Friday, why don't we go ahead and look at just this week? This week, we were green every day up until today. Obviously, today was the biggest change day. Monday, we made 145. Today, we lost 151. So counteracting the big win here. But this week, we still made $200, a little over $200. And once again, this number will change. So heck, maybe we give it up. Maybe we make more in the last hour of today. So I'll let you guys know about that as well. But not too shabby there. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it once again. Hopefully you enjoy the transparency, even on red days. Hit the like button if you do. Hit the red subscribe button if you want to continue following along with this journey, continuing to learn the importance of creating a proven system, how to create a proven system. You will learn my proven systems and other ones I create in the future. Subscribe. It's free. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.